Hey friends, let's do Trick or Treat Guitar Lesson by Fastway. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along, and we'll do the solo at the end. Now for the tuning, tune to E and then just go sharp there, so we're going between E and F there, so go to E 450 tuning. Let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting with E once, C down up, and then to A, then do that again, B, C, C, and then go to D. Just do that 2 times, and then the last D we hold, and we're just going to do a build up on 8th notes on that D power chord, just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and don't do the last and, it jumps into the verse there. So that's guitar 1. Guitar 2, it's just going to be playing the 3rd fret on the B string and the open E, sliding up to the 5th fret, so, and then just play 5 on the B, open E, so, and that's guitar 2. From there we have the verse. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting on the E power chord, play it once, and come back to D and do it 4 times. Back to E, and do that through 4 times. D. 4 times there, and then we're just going to the C power chord. We're going to do 2 palm mutes, then off on the C, a palm mute again. Then we're going to this diminish. We're going to play 3rd fret A, 4 on the D, 5 on the G 2 times. Back to C, and then palm mute. So slowly. We do that through 2 times, and then we're just jumping to the D, do 2 palm mutes. D, 1 palm mute, then go D sus 4, palm mute, back to D, palm mute, and then just build up again on 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 again there. So that last part from the C there. And that's our verse, and we have our chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting with the E power chord 2 times. 3rd fret E, open E. Go to an E power chord up here, we're going to play 2nd fret on the D, 4th on the G, 5th on the B, and then just go to the A power chord, do it 3 times, and then D power chord 3 times. So slowly. Do the start again, E, up to the E. Then just go D 2 times and A 2 times, and we play that 2 times through there, and that's our chorus. From there we go back to the verse, that's exactly the same, back to the chorus is exactly the same, and then we have this little bridge to finish off the chorus. It's basically the intro again. E, C, C, A, E, C, C, D. Just do it through once, and that's our bridge. Then we have the solo, but we'll do the solo rhythm first, and we'll look at the solo at the end. So we play the solo rhythm for you. So before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation to my Patreon page, and that really helps out. So let's get back into it. So we're just doing the same as the verse, the E back to the D. So D, 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 4 times, and then we're doing this blues pattern. Go to the C, we're going to go C, C, and then go 3 on the A, 7 there up on the D, back to C, back to 3 and 7, back to the C 3 more times, then start the pattern again, the C 2 times, 3 and 7 once, 3 and 5, and hold the 3 and 7. So then just move up 2 frets to the D, do it 2 times, and then do 5 and 9 on the D once, back to the D, and then do that again. So we're just doing the D there, and then just building up on the D power chord again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that part there. And that's our solo rhythm. From there we just go back to the chorus, play it through 4 times, and just finish on the A, 3, 4, and then E. And that's all our rhythm parts, and we have the solo. Let me play that for you. So we're just going to start with these trills. 2, hammer onto 4, pull off the 2 on the G string. And just move up a fret, 3 and 5, move up 4 and 6, 5 and 7, 6 and 8, 7 and 9, 8 and 10, and then 9 and 11. Then go to the B string, 12th fret, bend 15 2 times. Play E12, B, 15, 12, bend on 14 on the G. B, 12, 15, G, 13. Then we've got this little blues lick, bend on 14G, 12B, 12E. Do that 4 times. Bend on 15B. Then we're just going to tremolo pick on the E string, 12, 14, 15, 17, and then bend on 17, play 17, and do 15, hammer onto 17, pull off to 15, 17B, 15E, 17B. So then we're going to slide up on 16G and play 15B at the same time. And we're just doing a down up here, and we're going to do it 8 times. Again. Then the third time through, just play 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back to 14 and 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back to 13 and 14 and just do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then to finish off, we're going to slide on the B string up to the 10th fret. 8. Then do 7. Hammer onto 8. Pull off to 7. G9. Back to 7B, G9. Slide up to 10B again. 8, 7, 8, 7, 9 on the G, do a bend on 7B. And then we're staying on the B, we just play 10, 8, 7, doing pull off 6 times. 4, 5, 6. Then just come back to 8, 7, 5, still on the B 2 times. And finish on 7 there. So 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and 7. And that's our solo there, and they're all the parts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Trick or Treat Guitar Lesson by Fastway. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.